Breaking news! Stocks on crypto are rallying today after a historic U.S. China trade truce. Check it out, guys. Let's go! Yes, ladies and gentlemen, dudes and dudettes, chewies and chewettes. If you haven't seen the news, then you are in the right spot. Nasdaq up over 4%, the S&P flying past 3%, and even Bitcoin is waking up. Apple, Tesla, Nvidia, they're all jumping. But is this just a short-term hype or the start of a major move? Let's break it down fast, clean, and with the charts to back it up. I'm David. Let's go. Over the weekend, the U.S. and China made a surprise announcement. Do you guess what it was? Let me know in the chat. Let me know in the comment section if you already know. They're cutting tariffs by 115% on each other's goods for a 90-day period. That means U.S. tariffs on Chinese goods drop from 145% to 30%. China's tariffs on American imports fall from 125 to 10%. This is huge, a huge move. It signals a reset in global trade tensions. Markets love it. Overnight futures surge and now stocks are popping. Yes, sir. Ladies and gentlemen, if we look at the stock market heat map at the market open, Apple, in the pre-market actually, moved 7% up thanks to lower input costs and reassurance that many iPhones are made in India now. Amazon, Target, Costco, lower import taxes, better margins. Nvidia, AMD, Intel, relief from chip supply chain pressures. Tesla, Ford, GM, cheaper metals and parts equals higher profit potential. FedEx, UPS, even airlines like Delta and American all reacting to this new optimism. This is a full-on risk-on rally, and it's not just tech. Industrials, consumer goods, even logistics are ripping. And what about crypto king? Well, ladies and gentlemen, Bitcoin is holding 104,000. Ethereum is climbing, altcoins are stabilizing. Why? Because a truce like this signals lower inflation risk and better liquidity, which the crypto markets love. If the S&P keeps rallying, don't be surprised if Bitcoin pushes toward 110,000. And I'll be watching Ethereum, Solana, and Jasmy. This is my surprise one, Jasmy. We might be entering a new rotation, guys. Meanwhile, a little bit of more headlines for all of you guys. President Trump just signed an executive order to cut drug prices by up to 80%. Big Pharma, Pfizer, Lilly, J&J all reacting. This could be the biggest shakeup in healthcare pricing we've seen in decades. Also, Google, ladies and gentlemen, yes, just got removed from Wedbush's best ideas list. AI volatility, search pressure from Apple Safari, and investor doubt are weighing on Alphabet. Even with the bounce, analysts are cautious. So where do we go from here? I'm sure you guys are all wondering. Well, first things first, we gotta keep an eye on the data. So I go to forexfactory.com/calendar and keep myself updated. So you can see that tomorrow we got core CPI, month over month and year over year. On Wednesday, we don't have red folder news. On Thursday, we do have core PPI, core retail sales, unemployment claims, and Fed Chair Powell speaking. And Friday, we got the preliminary UOM consumer sentiment, inflation expectations. Okay, guys? So that could reinforce or kill this rally. The 90-day tariff pause, it might just be a temporary unless deeper talks progress. And in crypto, if Bitcoin holds the current price, 104,000, and breaks past the resistance, which, by the way, I'm just gonna show you right now. Why not, guys? We are at 103,158, but the resistance is there, guys. The highest it's been is 109,000. If we break that resistance, then there's gonna be some new numbers coming up. But if we do, we could see the next big wave. But I want to hear from you. Which stock or crypto are you watching this week? Comment below. I'll reply to everyone who drops something insightful. If this helped you stay ahead of the markets, drop a like and hit subscribe. I go live all the time covering these moves. And don't forget, my new song Rockstar drops on May 24th right here on the channel. Link in the description for my link tree, charts, live streams, and music only on Deived. See you in the next one. We do the videos con mucho amor. Peace.